Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you some home projects that we've been working on over the last couple of weeks. These aren't completed rooms, but they are just some projects that we've been working on. We aren't at a place where we can finish any of these rooms yet, but we just wanted to share these steps along the way. So, come along. We're here at Lowe's to get paint for the living room. You'll be excited to know that not only is it a great day because your furniture's here, you're also getting lunch.
I'm getting lunch?
You're getting lunch.
Great material, nice color, low profile. Love it. A king size bed. Look, I can fit here, snuggle here, and you there. It'd be great.
I'm sort of thinking it might go the other way.
Huh? It goes the other way because the pillow top.
No, I mean, like I think you lay the.
Well, yeah,
this way.
But it's this way. I can't show you on camera. Like, what am I going to lay on the floor?
You're wild.
And you lay there. Look at it.
Okay.
It's here. So now I gotta get rid of that junk.
Stop! Don't.
I gotta get rid of that.
It's not junk.
So, like, how do you think this goes together? Like,
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
It's a U shape, right?
It's supposed to be. It's what I ordered.
Well, I don't know how this is gonna work, but I can't wait to find out.
There might be 2 pieces in that. Okay, that's a bad idea.
What? It's pillows.
Okay. And back there is our chair.
Yeah, I believe that's the chair back there. It's not like a middle part to this, right?
Well, if it's not, we're missing something because there's no chair.
Confirm. Let me check.
You are ridiculous.
Ugh. New product.
It's the chair because there were 2 pieces to the couch, the chair, and the.
You know what this says right on it?
What? Chair.
It says Triton. Chair. Type chair. Like, home's gonna feel like home. You know what I mean? Like, we've been living here feeling like we're strangers in a strange house. But like, to finally get something personalized that's ours, that we picked for the space, is gonna be huge.
I just hope the couch fits the way that I'm envisioning it to fit.
Me too, but we'll get rid of these tables and then we just gotta find hopefully a nice poof too or something. If we even need a poof, I don't know.
Well, I think we're gonna just need like a table, like a small round.
Just a real small
coffee table.
We'll find something. And those guys were great.
They were.
They got in, they were very happy that we gave them some cookies and some water.
All right. What's the time for?
The time is 6:30.
No,
Oh, what is the time for?
Yeah.
It's time to get rid of this old, lovely furniture and put in new, sleek furniture that's really going to set the tone for the theme for this room.
Yeah, the blue is going.
The blue is going. The white paint is here.
I just thought we'd give you kind of a look at the room as a whole because it's going to be changing.
It's gonna change
Quite a bit, so here's
be here or be square.
a look at everything. So tonight we're gonna put in the new couch, the new chair, and we're gonna pull up the rug. Right?
Yep.
Okay.
We need a whole new rug. And some of these tables are gonna have to shift or go.
Yeah, a lot of things are changing in here. There's like essentially of everything that's in here, there's like 2 pieces that are staying.
I think we have quite a few buyers that are interested in the furniture.
Yeah, I highly recommend listing your furniture that you want to sell on Facebook. I didn't even do it on Marketplace. I just did it with on our friends, and we had like 15 people say that they were interested in buying these. So yeah. So
these are great. I love them. They're comfortable. You can fit a whole size human being, lay comfortably, and it can fit like a plate of food or whatever on the wide arm. Like, they're great. They're just too big for the space.
They just don't fit. They fit in our old house.
They're very
but not
high
here.
profile, like this new one to be a little sleeker, lower. I think it's just gonna really fit us better. Like when you look at it, you're gonna say that is that. As you can see, it's very clean and it's full of paint.
Okay.
So you push the trigger and you roll.
Oh, maybe you gotta pull it a few times. Probably. Oh, it's starting to go.
And you see, you're not getting the roller wet first or anything. It's just about
I think it just takes it a little. There it is. Wow.
And you just have to pump it till it fills that roller. And you just roll it on.
Cool. We are on day 2 of painting now. Painting the living room. And we need
Kelly
to
was gracious enough.
Go get more paint. So this is what we're using. It's the Sherwin-Williams Showcase. It's supposedly 1 coat. I think our walls plaster.
They are.
So it absorbs more paint. So it is not 1 coat for us, which is why we were running out. Because it just absorbs way more paint than what like drywall would.
Yeah.
But that's alright. We got more. We are using, the color is Alabaster, and it's the satin finish, in case you were
And I mean, it is looking,
but it looks great.
primo. I like, the living room should always been that color, in my opinion.
Yeah.
It looks,
It's starting to look really good.
yeah. I don't know, and maybe if you lived here for a long time and it was white, maybe you went with color because it was different.
But we lived in our house for 3 years, and our whole house was Alabaster, and
Loved it.
4 years, whatever, 3-4 years, whatever.
Yeah, and loved the color that it was. So.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, and it just looks even better here, and I think you were right with leaving the trim, the color that it already was. It's like,
Adds a little warmth.
yeah, it's white, but it's almost got like maybe a little creamier.
It's like a creamy white. We'll show you whenever we are done.
It's a great contrast.
But we're gonna get back to painting. We are doing something fun with the fireplace area.
Which is why it's still blue.
Yeah.
You can see over here and over here are different.
Yeah. And also, I'll go ahead and share this part with you now. We are going to paint this because I know that it looks like it's brick, but it is not brick. It is painted to look like brick. There's no way for me to really show you that it's just painted to look like brick, but it's just paint.
Like,
it's just like stone that's painted.
like whoever painted
So,
it did a very good job.
We're going to just paint it. I wasn't gonna paint it when I thought it was brick, but then when I realized that it's not brick, I was like,
Change it.
let's go. So, there's that. How's it going?
Good, I think.
Getting there, huh? Now it's time to get rid of the final bit of blue.
Let's make it happen, Captain. Oh, I'm gonna need the light on.
Paint in the dark.
I'm gonna paint in the dark. Hey guys, this is what would be the sun porch, or sunroom, or kind of our prayer room, book room, study. The one wall over here it's the wood paneling. It's like a white paneling. And on the other walls were painted, and they're actually, the paint on those are actually in pretty decent shape all in all. And I think it'll look all right. Hey Snuggles. Hey buddy. You hanging in here with me? With your old dad? Come on up. Hey buddy. Yeah, we're gonna paint. And they had a lot of things hanging on the walls here. So like there's a lot of nails that I gotta remove before we can get real into it. But all of this will be painted the same white that we used downstairs. We'll just carry on up into here. Finish painting the room. There are books and things that need to go on these 5 bookshelves, which we are still needing to make. So I gotta drag all that out of the way. We've got the comfy chair here. So, as you can see, we've got quite a lot of work in here. Because this will be our plant room. It gets the most sunlight. They keep up and hold up better in here. So we'll be spreading all that out and sharing the love in here. Kelly has some other plans, what she wants to do for the room. So we're going to do a quick paint job. We're going to finish building bookshelves, and I'll step back to the doorway again and show you the overview of the room. And when we're all completed and done, we'll show you the finished product.
Okay, we got these walls painted. Now it's another night, the next night? Yeah, it's the next night. And we're going to build these bookshelves for in here. Surely they can't be serious with this time. This is going to take us forever if it really takes us 50 minutes.
It's going to take me a little under 5 hours.
That's nuts. There's no way.
That's a full-time job.
That's like a ton of... That's not a ton.
Well, if the instructions are clear and simple, you can get me through them quick enough. I might be able to.
That's crazy. If this takes us that long, there's an issue.
I'm gonna review them.
There's no way
and give them my review
that long.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm...
Alright, we have the first one finished. And it took us about 40 minutes, not 50. And that was with quite a number of distractions and having to take a section of it apart and put it back together because
the instructions don't tell you which way to do it. So we did it consistently, which then made 2 shelves
flipped around
have
the wrong
like the
way.
bare wood side. So we had to reverse it. But now we know for the next one, we're smarter for it.
And the only complaint that I truly have about the whole thing is that this is what they give you to cover the screws with. They're just like literally little thin stickers. So, oh, hey Snug. That would be the only real complaint that I have is that those stickers just don't work.
They look
stupid. So I'd rather leave it without them.
It was like a toupee.
Yeah.
It was terrible. It was really terrible. But
so 4 more to go. But these are great.
Sturdy. Like we've had bookshelves before that did the little Elvis wiggle in the middle with the hips. This sucker here is firm.
I'll link them below. I really like them. I'm happy with the purchase.
And they're not hard to put together. Now that we've done one, I feel like the rest will just fly through.
Yep.
But I love the height of them.
Yeah, I think
there's plenty of room up above
to like decorate.
Hang your mirror, decorate. and it doesn't make the room feel like it's toppling on top of you. It actually makes the room feel taller, I feel like.
I just love them so much more than those. We're going to use those somewhere else.
I like those, but they need to be...
Not in here.
They can be properly used elsewhere.
They can be decorated better. And my books will look a lot nicer on here.
Okay. So here's the entryway. And it's dark in here. So you can't tell these look black. They are a really dark green. Maybe you can see a little better that way. And they go up and around. I don't mind this color so much, but the green inlay will now be the other white, and the door is going to be that dark black. There's the general finish of it. I have a flat edge razor that I can use to clean off the windows, but other than that, we're looking pretty good. I'm loving it better without the green. The black looks great. And now I can't wait till tomorrow when it dries. I can hang my wreath. It'll look real sharp.